If you're finding yourself frustrated because Instagram won't let you post, you're not alone. There are several common culprits behind this issue, and understanding them can help you get back to sharing your moments with the world. First, take a moment to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is often the sneaky villain that disrupts your posting plans. Make sure you're on a reliable Wi-Fi network or that your mobile data signal is strong enough to support uploads. Next, consider whether your Instagram app is up to date. Using an outdated version can lead to unexpected glitches, including the inability to post. Head to your app store and see if there's a new version available that might just be the fix you need. Another potential obstacle is Instagram's community guidelines. If your content doesn't align with these rules, it might be flagged or removed, and your posting privileges could be temporarily restricted. It's worth reviewing these guidelines to ensure your content is in compliance. Instagram also has measures in place to prevent spam, which means there are limits on how much you can post within a certain time frame. If you've been particularly active, it might be time to take a short break and reassess the quality and size of your posts. Lastly, don't overlook the possibility of technical glitches. Sometimes, a simple restart of the app or your phone can resolve these hiccups. If the issue persists, it might be helpful to check online forums or social media to see if others are experiencing similar problems. By addressing these areas, you should be able to troubleshoot effectively and get back to enjoying the Instagram experience.